Hi. In the concept of numbers series, now we will see questions based on power series. How power series will come into the picture. Let's see the questions 1, 4, 27, 256, 3, 1, 2, 5. Guys, if you observe, so I can write this is what? 2 square. This is what? 3 cube. So this is what I can write 1 power 1. So this would be what? 4 cube. So this is what your observation. Is it 4 cube is this? No. So this would be what? 4 power 4. So this is what? 5 power 5. So next would be what? 6 power 6. So this series definitely we can say it as what? N power n. Okay. So 1 power 1, 2 square, 3 cube, 4 power 4, 5 power 5. So you can say this as what? N power n. So you should know the power of 6 power 6. Okay, how to calculate this? 36 into 36 into 36. Okay, we don't know. A lot of people will don't know. So definitely you have to multiply that and you have to get your answer as what? 46656 is nothing but 6 power 6. It will take little bit time, but invest it and get your marks. Okay, because easy one, n power n is easy observation. So multiply that and get your answer. Okay, so that's how easy. Or if you know 216 into 216 also will give you the same result, because 6 cube is 216. 216 into 216 also will give you the same results. So the observation is very, very important. Are you observing? If you take out the differences are very large. When the difference are very large, square, cube or power. Okay, so this is what should be in your mind. You know, if you don't know the logic regarding these two, just try to get it. So guys, can I write this as 3 square? This as what? 4 cube. So this is going to be 5 power 4. Yeah. So 5 power 4, 4 cube, 3 square. So n to the power of n minus 1. So can I say this is 2 power 1? So this is what? 1 power 0. So 1 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 3 square is what? 9, 4 cube is what? 64, 5 power 4 is what? 625. Then what series will take you? The series is going to be what here? 6 power 5. So 6 has to be multiplied in how many times? 6 has to be multiplied in 5 times. So answer is going to be 7776. Okay, so I can write this is going to be what? N to the power of n minus 1 series. Okay, n to the power of n minus 1 series. N may be any number. That point you have to understand. It may be a natural number, prime number, anything. So that point you have to understand here. Okay, let's go to the next question. 18811024. Okay, how to handle this particular question? Let's see. Guys, if you don't know regarding one, leave it. So I can write 8 as, because the difference are very large in thousands. So look at here. Can I write this as 2 cube? Can I write 81? Can I write this as 3 power 4? Yeah, what happening here? So this obvious is what? 4 power is going to be what? 5. So 4 have to be multiplied in 5 times. So this has to be what? 1 square. So next has to be what? 5 power 6. So can I write this is n to the power of n plus 1? Yes. So guys, observe the pattern. Automatically you can get your answer very easily. So what is 5 power 6? 5 power 6 is going to be 1, 5, 6, 2, 5. So these all are the number series regarding your what? Power. Okay, so this is how you need to handle your power squares. Okay, after that we are going to see some difference in series. Let's see. 25, 28, 31, 34. What's happening? Let's check the difference. See, the increment is not very high. The increment is very small. So look at the difference here. What is the difference here? Plus 3. 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 In the exam, don't write all these things. You have understood the constant difference, so you have to add plus 3. You can write your answer as what? 46. So that's it. That's going to your answer. That's going to be your answer. Okay. Hope everybody understood this particular question. Let's go to the next question. Guys, if you are looking at here, 6, 9, 13, there is not a lot of increment. So blindly take the difference. 6 and 9, the difference is what? Plus 3. 9 and 13, the difference is what? Plus 4. 13 and 18, the difference is what? Plus 5. So next would be blindly you can write plus 6 and plus 7. It has to be plus 8. 31 plus 8 is what? 39. So it's a constant increase in the first question. Next question is what? It is increasing rapidly. It is increasing. Okay, it's an increment series. Okay, it's an increment series. So answer for this question is what? 39. Let's try to solve one more question. 15, 19. So the differences are very small. Check the differences. 15, 19. What is the difference here? Can I say the difference is going to be plus 4? Yes. 15 plus 4 only 19. What is the difference here? Plus 6. What is the difference here? Plus 8. What is the difference here? Plus 10. What is the difference here? Plus 12. So the next difference has to be plus 14. So here 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 are what? Even numbers in increasing order. So 55 plus 14 is going to be what? 69. Okay, so that's complete the solution of that particular question. Okay, so let's go to the next question. 17, 19, 22, 27, 34. Let's see the difference here. 17, 19. What is the difference here? Plus 2. 99, 22. What is the difference here? Plus 3. 22 and 27. What is the difference here? Plus 5. 27 and 34. What is the difference here? Plus 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 are what? Prime numbers. Don't in a hurry, don't add 9. 9 is going to give the wrong answer because 9 is a prime number. No. So you have to add how much? You have to add the next prime number which is 11. 34 plus 11. Can I say it's going to be 45? Yes. These are consecutive series, but the difference here is what? Prime. The difference here is going to be what? Prime. So this is how you can answer your particular question. Let's look at here. 53, 54. So I can write plus 1. 54, 58. I can write plus 4. 58, 64. I can write plus 6. 64 and 72. Can I write plus how much? 6 plus 8. So the point here is this. 1, 4, 6, 8 are what? These are prime numbers? No. These are natural numbers? No. These are squares? No. So these are composite numbers? No. One is neither prime nor composite. Guys, if you closely observe, what are missing in between? 2 is missing, 3 is missing here. Yes. 5 is missing here. Yes. 7 is missing here. 2, 3, 5, 7 are what? Prime numbers. So can I say the difference is nothing but non-prime numbers? Yes, because these are not odd numbers. These are not all even numbers. These are not composite numbers. So the observation is important. So plus 1, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. Next you have to add what? Plus 9, because 9 is non-prime. So the logic here, the series is what? Non-prime series. Then 72 plus 9 will give you what? 81 as your answer. Okay, 81 as your answer. You know, these type of series definitely will come into your examination. So please concentrate. 2, 3, 7, 16, 32. Okay, let's check the difference. What is the difference here? 1. What is the difference here? 4 is the difference. What is the difference here? 69. So 3 and 6. 9 is the difference. So what is the difference here? 16 is the difference. Yeah, you might have got your answer. 1, 4, 9, 16. So this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So next would be 5 square. So the next difference has to be 5 square. So 32 plus 25 is going to be what? 2 plus 5, 7. So your answer is going to be what? 57. Are you observing? Once you got the difference, definitely with the difference you can definitely get your answer. So answer for this question is what? 57. Let's go to the next question. Look at the difference first. 17 and 21. So 4 is the difference here. 21 and 30. How much is the difference? 9 is the difference. 30 and 55. The difference is 25. I got something. 2 square, 3 square, 5 square. So next difference is how much? 49, no? Because 9 plus 5 only you will get 4, 14, right? So this difference is what? 49. So this is 7 square. So if you look at here, you will get here as 121 because I got it. 2, 3, 5, 7 and next would be what? 11. 2, 3, 5, 7 is what? Prime square. So here the difference definitely is going to be what? 121. So what could be the next difference? So the next difference is 169 because the next cube is what? 13 cube. So 225 plus 169. Okay, you can get your answer as what? 394 as your answer. So the difference is what? Prime squares. Okay, the difference here is going to be what? Prime squares. Okay, how about the next question? 11, 12, 20, 47 and dash. So look at here guys. 1 is the difference here. 12 and 20. What is the difference here? 8. 20 and 47. What is the difference here? 27. Are you observing something? So this is what? 1 cube. This is what? 2 cube. So this is what? 3 cube. So next has to be what? 4 cube. Next difference has to be 4 cube. So what is 4 cube? 64. So if you want to get this number, that is the addition of 47 and 64 only, no? So 60 and 40, 100. So this is what? 111. Okay, so answer for this question is what? 111 is going to be your answer. So you can verify here. You will get here definitely 125 as a difference because look at here. 200, 230 and 6. 100, 100, 200, 20 and 10, 30 and this is going to be 6. So answer for this question is what? 120. 111 is going to be your answer. Hope everybody understood this particular question. Okay, let's try to solve one more question. 19, 20. Difference is what? 1. Guys, look at the difference. The difference is very high. Definitely, it's a connection with cubes and squares. The cube square might be the difference also. Directly, he may not give. 20 and 47. What is the difference? 27. Okay, guys. 47, 172. What is the difference? 125. How I am getting it? This is 1 cube. This is 3 cube. This is 5 cube. So next has to be odd number 7 cube. So which is 343. Okay. Next has to be 9 cube. So what is 9 cube here? 729. So the next difference has to be 11 cube, which is 1331. 1331. 1244 and 1331 will give your answer. So 5, 7, 5, 2. So your answer is going to be what? 2572. So this is the picture of different variety of series. Okay. So this completes your video. Thank you.